Hi guys, in this class I will discuss with you how you can get free enrollment in this course, Python problem solving course. This is a free enrollment. At the end of this course you will get a certificate and also you will get a lifetime support. So first of all I will discuss with you how you can get free enrollment in this course. So you know that I shared a link with you. This is the link. You can see that jafrico.com/courses/simple python problem solving course. So this link is also included in the video description, this, and also in Facebook description also I have provided in WhatsApp also. Just press enter and then you will get a this course. First of all, what you have to do, you can also create your account, register. If you have already account on this jafricode.com platform, then you have to click on this login. So you can also click here. So this is a course. This is a free course. Its duration is 11 hour plus lecture, 102 lectures, and then this is for all level student. And video lecture you will get algorithm discussed, PPT slides, source code discussed, and also I will provide problems and solutions assignment you will get. So you can click here enroll now. If you're on mobile, then its interface will be like this one. So at the end you have to, so actually these are the lectures, you can prove as testing purpose before enrollment. And then you can see that 100 plus exercises Python based you can take enrollment free. This is instructor, and you can put review for this course also. Price is zero only, free course. Just you have to click here enroll now, and then if you're on laptop you will get here button enroll now. When you click here enroll now, you have to create your account or log in into your account. Just you have to click sign up if you're new user, then you have to fill form with basic information. Your account will be created and then you will be get free enrollment in this course. Just your first name, for example xy123, for example. Email, I have to provide valid email. Re-enter password, and then you have to click here accept the terms and privacy policy and then register. Your account will be created and then you will be take enrollment in this course. Account is created, congratulations, registered successful, redirecting. So it will redirect to a page and then you will be able to watch video. Now enroll now, because you created a account. After creating account you have to click on this enroll now button, so it will take your enrollment in this Python problem solving course. Now your enrollment is successfully in this course. Just what you have to do, you have to just refresh this page, or you can also go to your dashboard. You can see that this is your name, one enrolled courses. Just you can also click here to see what courses you have taken. This course you are enrolled, just click here to watch video of these courses, and then when you complete this course you will get certificate at the end. These are the different lectures. You can see that 100 plus lecture you can watch. Just play button, video will play, and you can also download source code for this complete course exercise file and then click here. So you will get this source code. Study material is included in this file, and also you can see that when you enrollment is successfully in this course, then you will see option start learning. So it will redirect to this page, and also when you click here complete course, it means that you have completed this course, and then you will be able to get certificate for this course. And I will recommend you to watch all video from this course one by one. You will get more information and your Python programming skill will improve. So you can see that 100 plus lectures, you can see that. So if you have any confusion, you can also put question here. So browse question and answer, you can put your question and submit, so instructor will answer you. So you can see that when your course is completed, you can click here view certificate. You will get a certificate for this course. This certificate is generated for you. You can download this certificate in PDF mode or GPG mode. PDF mode, so it will download your certificate in PDF form. So you can include this certificate in your LinkedIn profile, in other portfolio. This certificate is downloaded for you. So this is a simple Python problem solving course. After this course, what you can do after this course, very recommendation for you from Java code, you have to take enrollment in another course, that is a intermediate problem and complex problem. So that are 200 plus problems with solution, algorithm, and also assignment for you. So you can see other courses also. As I discussed with you, this is a simple Python problem solving course. After this course, what you have to do, you have to take this course 100 plus intermediate Python problem solving with assignments. So 100 plus lessons, it means video lectures, 6.9 hours. This is video courses length, and this is for all levels student. So this is a paid course actually, but very beneficial for you. So after this intermediate course, you have to take this 100 plus complex Python problem solving course. So this is also paid course, but very beneficial for you. So if you have any confusion, any problem while learning with us, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.